Well, howdy, folks. The name's Powder Cake Peg, and we're moving on into tunnel number 1 of the Calico mine.
You brought your own picks and shelf.
Take a look at these old bubbling monkeys. The belly of old Mother Earth's always a-churning and boiling. Many a miner swung his pick into the ground in search of gold, only to have her belch right in his face. Now that ain't very ladylike. The famous glory hole. There's gold in there, and we ain't took that gold and leave it in your pocket. They tell me you can catch a flying fish beneath your underground lagoons by using your hand, but I don't think any of these fellas ever caught one.
Remember,
We're down at the point now. We're clicked in like just look at all them formations. Stalactites and stalagmites. Them big ones must be 1,000,000 years old. Will you look at that? Seldom see Slim's found himself a whopper. Johnny Luck makes me sad nervous. Y'all see all this rich old tricks. And not much at all. So keep your hands off inside and don't start moving. Newest parts of the mind. No, it's just some blasting away to the wrong. Mackerel, they're blasting! Open that rock, Tiger, let's let them loose!
Slow down, they're blasting ahead! Slow down there!
We made it out just in time, folks. Head on over to the Calico Village for an ice-cold sarsaparilla. So come on down and tell them Powder Cake Cake sent you. So long, folks.